West village ma wati we bridge wati we kilalo ma dibongo bridge go do mondo mania dano ma pol ka do ko di wudu ma eni ne ediko ginario ediko wad sario yibola wad ko otorogan wad kidmo benene ko de ka woni kidmo nene ko de ka woni waneno kidmetie ko de ya yi metie ebe dako marach chalo bebe dako marache dugu mako joti mango en regima wabe paro nia in moko mako tigre utie bridge mode kwa enter gimo beneno nia ikit mado ngati ko de ango mo ke bridge en utie kumero nyo podu kadi nyo tego pakotre kadi nyo jarajere en regima beneno Pero beneni wi kakacha mol papi matek chopo bedu ginma uketu gin echa no dugiere odi bi orario kande chi edako kumeni kadum ebiri nenedi man dano ube kadiwie bi kadu nenedi pian kawuni e chopo goni ketu motokari mo kat kudiwie re kidme betor kode asue wa beneno gin eno binyayo lebe matek donc jopagamente gini kakane wakati na Elsa Beach angeo ma eche gine pa LC3 area pare the town council kibe neno nenedi gibe parango nga ma chopo konywa diketu gimeno timre nilobre ku wish pa dano ma tong communities members bagiwejo ja
an julongo nyinga Reverend Jagen Christopher abedu Pedaton Council village me Jupandika West ate ko shan manle lebe meeting with development meeting council mi paida paida ko ni ke obadako pin mashalo municipality donc ka paida si doko municipality je dongo matiu Pedaton Council o magene ya pinje maka ko majibe mi ko sende pigino pin mashalo bridges pin opera tech makonyo dano it is a connective system maketo dano bedu kuyot ko miwoto kuter megi nyoke gigi bridge mutie ipaida Jupandika west and east ma connecting the town bengi mango dano ne gikon kichi pede bako bridge ni tor bridge ni mall angengo ka dano ma giti with the road construction chalo LC5 mesaro na kun etie kun ke benania nyoke the mayor of the town council nyoke the LCs kun give me report bang jodongo ngi pinan bridge chokere en kai pino sole yakai kama wagisu gifuri nyanya kai ibino bridge ne to dong mara jemu de gidi yango ginenu dengo dongi ba ne ka bridge ne mu down ma ai Jupandika West mu connecting the whole system ai Jupandika West cha mi ai the whole of Torogang short route mabini town janwango ne en kana weji kumeni bridge jukena kama pinye ongolie motor ma en ma ko timnedi ko ni kama rokar mo ko ni kakai rokar ne o ma ko nge pota then kali pigi bridge mo pota ma egi chalu mo pota ma egi and then pinyen mo oi ma cha gija and yet this is the main source of the bridge mo ma ko for the town council which we le look at the mayor mi paida kan mo jikele menyen mayor ma chonta o de mango men pigi ma egi chalu ma ke ka ma egi pigi maka we hotel ma ti kan ngat mo ringe wonen mo ben ko ngade pota to. And then we are matendo majobo ka the bridge connecting schools kawe tele pa school we are for matendo kipa somo mo ai ichipanyondo o kazi chiti otoroka bridge ka otoro we are sitting go somo junior mapol utie jo shami kijo ngati bora bora tele we are mi school to kama kikake ginwangu bienti flooded yo malucha kama bogisu upure nyanya miki nyoke beji miki we are jobo ka tongo ka pipong o mala we nyatinde jobo ngalongo nguru ni do podi Manis Kaila Square, Kalun Kasi to Turkan Kasi, Awale Kasi School Mukaya Turkan Boys, Larengo. So we are pleading, Alur TVA, Omago, Kachopre, Council, Mi Paida, Town Council, Chuponango, Mapur Kerongeti municipality, so their status alone is big. But the Town Council, Mapori Wango, put it municipality opinion, Omagojania. Bridge, Jokiero, Rocky monitoring, you want to come government, make us an opinion again. Local government me ko sen opinion ki pero mo opinion ki timbe ko maka ko e ko ru ku ger maka mbo bridge mai kene go mi solengo uke shidi kadi igine nyaga bridge mai nyaga bridge no mo kar ma tongo kadi were choboto ena me ko challenge ne ni LC5 ma emma ko ginen ki parle momoku sende moku ma jokelu this is passing from the local government e jange utie local government construction giti mugin nyaga no mo kar ma tongo ti ekelu income to payda wango mara mi soliade dan ay kongu kuma kan gi uringi kelu kebeti kelu cha so it is a connected road ma ay ngi dan mi kongu jopandika west ku east cheke dan gi nguden o mako konji men an ma wejo na aka to kuluri birijen mono woru ko to sima tit ko to shui pimba dan mal kweni gwenu to abu kenu dan da ko wona ne ka to kenu dan lo kirife dok do rinjo ma alur skylax donc eni sopere ngo one wo an a wejo chalo anyone mi ngomen ko bra kapa ida o shida ko municipality podi le manano ko fo ko nje do kibishi mango sene kan mi te pinyu kende ka brije jobo gerengo ananga ne government ba me ko sende in the area of the local council for sub county baka ko en government me send for the construction of the bridges ko pinyu kende so environmental protection which environmental protection because this is under government strategies ma ko team I wish you like mine malurumbe because this is a sort of development kangati I work we been in strategies ma planning strategical planning ma team by the town council by mayor and the council but what is the budget about all these things the first priority am going to make nimbudu bridges especially the bridges kupanga connecting mobokare matongo piki tuku kibinu these are short route not only that down on mapini isoko kangu de bridge tori bilu pe soko donc lega gi skuru gi meetings gi community gi yuwa ko branka ilungu dano bili pe community gi binu ngo in good time because gi tingu long route to come there to join kamaji bulungi yeja nyoke me abi meto dano meto nyo chupandika west usokere sok tunji chupandika iso tebe denga nao nguru ni ai chupandika west kuwe dano ne gine ka ni binu ni tawo binu rengo kum awesu chalo japonji de kan japonji nyo yedi masa amiko la porma kumeni yedi masa maka chen school timo development ko ko mitibare eche yedi masa ngatela ngo loko wajatela mokushi kadu peno ankodo me am by the town council do magabe kumeni tongwa kwani a ujumi la lur alu tv ute duondo ya mwe patano eni gibini gear bridge a gear de ini no mayeni ka jopure ko bra sen mati mini kude kiti apara fo
ninga long kerchan chalis peko buwo maneno ndi dong ngombe ka temre girio temre lingongo e 1k awiomo obechito chagun tokani achelu bedu pinkaja ele mandiri le muguma kidishu ope wono mitu jurutela matira endie butta do pie endie en wetpara mashek ute an nyinga tie kertani chalis endie anya tin ma jupandika manyo pienda majinyo ala de kai endie ario Agnes uje jupandika west echa ubenu timo pimogu upeni kuja binu konyo kansila mamwa ende ujibandika west ende rengeu ebechitimo ende pinyo meta yer ini journalist lwakwondo endie pie tadu pimarach sole tingo kalbat ario kene obet ku kalbat adi kalbat madongo ende kende udwa wechpara jigi.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm Francis Tukene Thomas Jalmalikiliki, and I'm glad that to all the viewers out there, we appreciate Alu TV for the initiative they're doing to see that we move on a good pace as a passerby, because when you look at the state of this bridge that connects Jupandika East and Jupandika West, definitely when you look at it, you just as a person, as a concerned man and a woman, you will definitely see that there is something wrong here, of which when you look at this, a truck cannot cross this bridge from here to the other side of that is Jupandika West. And I've been passing as I'm passing here, I'm going to Our Lady of Charity to pick my children from school. And the reason as to why I, as a parent, have decided to go myself to pick them is that when you look at this bridge, at times you find that children are playing here. When the children are playing here, you just see death. You just see death because, and even this culvert that is still even surviving here, in one of these few days, it was just go off because the upper side is also broken, even the lower side, even this side. So definitely we know that in some few days this bridge will be swept off or will be swept off by what? By water. And by this time around, you know, this is the rainy season whereby you cannot predict what is coming next. Last year but once, a child was drowned in this very same river. We call it Solia, but when you are looking at it as a person, you can say, this water cannot sweep someone away. But a child was drowned, but likely enough, the child was saved by the fellow pupils, which we can say congratulations to the pupils. And this bridge connects to various institutions that we can say.
This is